Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Shehzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Skill Set with Shehzad. So today we have a one project, and you guys and we will do it together, and it's pretty straightforward, not very very you can say hard or something. It's very easy and you can learn full networking in this. The requirement is we have a main office where we have two layer 2 switches, and we have some leaf switches, and then we have a core switch here, and we have one web server, file server, database servers, and we have in the branch like 5 users there here. So this is the main office, and then this is the branch office. There we have accounts department, we have a sales department, and we have one core switch connecting to this main office core, this one. And then similarly we have a branch B office. There also we have sales and accounts department, and the requirement is build the main office networking and build the branch A networking, then build the branch B networking, and then connect the branches to main office and use only Inter-VLAN routings. That's it. Okay guys, so first what we'll do, we'll just make a VLAN scenarios here in the main office. We will design our VLAN. Let's make this as the users, you can say our HR department. Okay, so we will give a VLAN ID for this one, VLAN like 2, and then this is the server side, our server. So we will give a VLAN server VLAN 3. We'll see if it is available, otherwise we'll change the IDs. In the packet tracer we are going to make this lab. These two VLANs we have here as of now, and in the branch A we have another VLAN, sales. Let's start from 11 because branch A, and accounts VLAN 12. Okay, then similarly we'll go office B, VLAN 21, and we'll create VLAN 22 for accounts here. Okay, so we gave our VLANs, we have switches. Now we'll give a switching names. This one will give a SW-SRV01. Mostly guys, in the server side we always have a redundancy. So here we have we should have a two top of the rack switches. So I would like to add top of the rack switches, but the problem is in this icon, the servers, we have only one connections. Let's see in packet tracer if in the server we have a second connections. We can make it 2 connections, and let's see if it is allowing us how many ports. There see only 1 port. That's why there is a limitations in the packet tracer. So that's why I made it 1 switch here, but most of the time this switches should have a double link to the servers, because mostly we always have here second switch, and we call it top of the rack switch and top of the rack switch, door switch we called. switch 1, switch 2. There should be a 2 switch always in the real scenario. So as of, because we have only one option in packet tracer to connect these servers, if they have a second port, I would suggest to Cisco to packet tracer, at least for servers, they can you know, make a redundant 2 ports, so then people can really play with the real scenarios. Anyway, so we have a server switch here. So then we will say this one HR switch. HR switch, our switch is here. Okay, and then we'll connect here. We'll ask this one our main office. Head office, switch A, and then we'll give a same name to our switch B to main office. Okay, and then we will give a name to our core. Okay, main office core. So this is this switch's name, and we gave a VLAN IDs for this one. We gave a VLAN ID for this one. This is our switch, and this is the switch here. This is the main office. Let's go, and first we will build our main office, and let's see these users and everybody is okay. So because our requirement is to first build the main office networking, so we'll go in a main office and we'll build our networking. I'll save the topologies. Okay, let's build this. We have 2 LAN switches, 2, 3, this one switches, and then this, and there we have a port channels 1, 2, 3, and the rest of we have we'll see if we can run other commands to make these one will be one, like with the trunk, one forwarding and one will be blocked. Anyway, but in the real scenario, in the main offices in the corporate sector, people merge these 2 together as a as a logical one, VSS, virtual switching system. In the Cisco available, I don't know if available in the switches. So there you can build a VSL, and then it will be physically 2 switches, but logically it will be a 1. So you can make a port channel with these switches also. Anyway, let's go and build the main office. So we will come here and we'll make our main office, and I will like to make a one main office like this. Here I can fill a color. Okay, wait, we will give a color. Because we will give a color, I want to fill color this one to my main office. Okay, and later on we will make our other offices. Okay, this is our main office. Main head office, I think. Okay, so we have our main head office. Similar here, we have 2 switches. Okay, one for the users, one for the servers. Then we have our 2 layer 3 switches. One, 2, and then we have one our core switch. Okay, we have 3 servers. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and we have 5 PCs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 PCs. So I'll bring it here, little bit here. I'll make it equal. Okay, so our requirement is fulfilled. We have 2 switches, 3 core switches, the big one, layer 3 switches. We have 3 servers and 5 PCs. Let's connect with them. As we know, these PCs always connect with the switch with the straight through cable. This PC first will connect on first, then the second will connect on second, then third will connect on third, fourth we will connect on fourth, fifth we will connect on fifth. Similarly, we will connect server 1 with the switch port 1, server 2 will connect with 2, server 3 will connect with server 3, port 3. Okay, that's fine. Now we have connected these two redundant way. So we'll connect with copper crossover cable, because you know between the switches we already use crossover cables. Okay, we'll connect gigabit 1 to 1 and then gigabit 2 to here 1. Okay, similarly we'll connect gigabit 1 to here 2, second switch, and gigabit 2 to here 10. Okay, so then we have two cables to main core office. Let's go. We have here, unfortunately we didn't have any gigabit. So what I will do, I will remove these links, because the traffic is more here. So what I will do, I'll create 4 links, or 2 links, these ones. Okay, 221 and then 24, 22, and then from here I will also do 21 to 23, and then here also I'll do 22 to 24. Okay, so these are the links, but one thing here, as per the availability, see these are fast. If I bring the fast here, that would be more better. This one, delete. Oh, okay, we'll do it. This one will delete. Where is our main office diagram? Okay, anyway, it's more sharp. No issues. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll again connect this one 21 or 24, sorry, 23. Okay guys, I'm back, and sorry. Okay, so we will connect our crossover this switch one. I will go for 23 for here with 21, and then 24 here for 21. Okay, and from here I will go for 20. There we use 23, sorry. So we will go here also 23 for here, 22, and again here 24 here for 22. Okay, so this is correct. So now the gigabits we can use here, and we can use here we can add more modules if we can. Let's see. Okay, these are the access physically module. I think we can not add modules here. Anyway, no issues, we'll see. We have only two for the two branches, and we'll between here we will also use other ports. Okay, from here 23 will connect here, 21 again here, 24 will connect here, 22. Similarly from here 23 will connect here, 23, and here 24 will connect with 24. Okay, so we'll save these two ports here for the branches to connect. Okay, so this is the scenario, and I will do one more thing. You guys also feeling like me, might be this one is more sharper. Let's go this one. Now it's not hurting to eyes anymore. Okay, so this is the main branch. Physically we have rack and stack, and now we'll give the VLANs, our VLANs, and the names. This is VLAN 2, VLAN 3. Okay, so we have VLAN 2, and let's assign the subnet also. So VLAN 2, so I will start with 2.0/24. Okay, and similar we'll come to here, VLAN 3 24. This is the IP address for the server side VLAN. This is the IP address for the these guys VLAN, this one. Okay, and anything we have here. Okay, so let's give the IP addresses also. This one, so 254 last IP from the subnet we will use for gateway. 192.168.2.1. Okay, copy, two, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5. Okay, So that's great. And their gateway will be here. We can put subnet also. For is the gateway, so we can say IP range. This is the subnet mask, and this is the gateway. Okay guys, so this is the department is HR. Okay, this is the server side. IP range, subnet 0, this is the gateway, servers. Okay, so this is our server. So the IP address will be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So this is the server IP for this, this is for this, and this is for this, and the VLAN is 3. Okay guys, okay, so this is the main office networks we have configured physically. Now we will go back to the main office and we'll start configuring the network actually. Okay, let's go. And for this computer, we'll give an IP address, configure desktop, where it is configuring the IP address configuration. .1 subnet mask is this, gateway is 254. Like this. We'll go for second. It's 2. Okay, close. And then third. Okay, 254, and then fourth IP, 4, 254, and then the fifth one, configure IP 5. And 254 is the gateway. So from the last PC, we can see IP address with ipconfig command, and we can ping other PCs because they are all in one VLAN and they are all connected to one switch. If I ping to 1, it should be, see, it's having a reply, and then 2, then I can ping for computer 4. So these computers are pinging to each other. 5. Okay. Now we'll go server side and we'll give an IP address to server. It is 3.1. I'll copy this one. 254. 3.2. 254. 3.3. 254. Okay, so this is the configuration, and let's see if this server can ping others. IP config, show me the IP. Okay, its IP address is 3, and we can ping 192.168.3.2. It is pinging because they are both on the same and one. Also, this server can ping all other servers, but if you ping to if you want to ping 2.1, which is other PC, it will not, because there is no Inter-VLAN routing yet. Okay, let's configure now this switch, which the VLANs. Okay, go to CLI. Okay, switch is there. So this switch name is HR switch 1. So first we'll go enable. In the configuration terminal, we'll change host name HR main office. HR switch 1 01 is the name. Exit, show VLANs. We can see VLAN 1 is there, but we have to create VLAN 2. Okay, conf d VLAN 2 name HR department. No shut. Okay, it's created. Show VLANs. VLAN 2 is created and our HR is ready. Okay, now we'll put these first interfaces, 5 interfaces to the which is connected our PCs into this VLAN 2. Show interface status. See, these 5s are connected, and these 5s we can conf d interface range fast 0/1 to 5. Switch port mode, you can say switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 2 enter. Exit, exit, and here write memory. So we'll save the configurations. Okay, show interface status. Now you can see all these PCs in VLAN 2 now. Okay, similar, I'll close this one and I'll go to the second switch. So enable conf d host name. Our switch host name is SR server 01. SW switch SRV 01 server switch. Okay, exit. I will write memory. Show interface status. Okay, we see our 3 servers are connected on these ports. Okay, configuration T. I will make a VLAN 3, name server VLAN, exit, show VLAN. Okay, server VLAN is created. Show interface status. These three I have to put into server VLAN. Interface range fast 0/123. Switchboard mode access. Switchboard access VLAN 3. Exit, and write memory. Save the configurations. Okay. Show interface status. You can see now these ports are in VLAN 3. Okay. That's great. That's really great. Now we have to configure trunk links. Let's come finish on this server first. It's showing me that it's connected with two ports which are 23, 24. Okay. And we'll go show run interface fast 0/23 interface. Okay, this command is not working here. Show interface, show run interface. Okay, show running configure. Only one command is here. So we will go into the show interface fast 0/23. Okay, and 24. These two are connected with our uplinks from this switch. These two uplinks are configured. I'll make them trunk. T interface range fast 0/3 to 4. Switchboard mode trunk. Switchboard trunk encapsulation if there is available. Allowed VLANs if you want to allow it all. Okay, you can specify also the remaining VLANs. Enter. Okay, right, memory is done. This side also we will do same. Here also 23, 24 is connected. Interface range fast 0/23 to 24. Switchboard mode trunk. Switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all. Sorry. And I'll write the memory. Okay. So now we have access VLAN, we have two trunk VLANs here. Okay. Now we'll come here. Here 21, 22 should be also trunk. Conf T host name. We give MHOA. Exit, show interface status. Okay, this is auto connected and it's 21 and 22. switchboard mode trunk, switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, and then again we can give a mode switchboard mode trunk, exit and write, exit and write memory, show interface status. Okay, these two is trunk and these both are working now. Okay, let's see if we have commands. Okay, VSL, no, it's not available VSL in the CCNA level. Anyway, no issues. Similarly, we'll go here. No. Enable conf hostname mhob and interface exit, show interface status. Also 2 is connected, 21 22 for these two links. So conf interface range fast 0/21 22 switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk and no shut, exit and write memory. Okay, show interface status. So our both trunk is here and up. Okay, so let's go for 2324 here. First we'll make a port channel from here and this way 2324, here also 2324. So I'll go do show run interface status. Okay, so these two, which is going to uplinks 2324, I'll make a port channel. Conf interface port channel 1, switchboard mode trunk. Okay, switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk, this port channel. Okay. This one done, and we'll bring these two. We created the port channel. Now this port channel, we will create, we'll add the links here. Exit, interface range. These two links, we'll put it inside the port channel. Range, fast 0/23 and 24. Switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk. Okay, switchboard port channel port group, switchboard okay. Here we'll go for okay, so we'll ask channel group if there is. Channel group is there. This is the command we are looking for. channel group, and then we made a port channel 1. Are we sure we made a port channel interface port channel 1? Yeah, we made a interface port channel 1. So we'll say channel group 1 mode active LACP. Okay, it is up and down, and if we see, I will write first show interface port channel summary. Let's see what is there. 1 status, show port channel, let's interface port channel briefs are 1, and okay, that's it. But it's still down because the other side we have to configure the other side as well. Okay, similarly we'll go here. Okay, we keep in mind we created this port channel, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, it's went into the domain translations. Meanwhile, we'll go on the other switch, this one, and let's create another port channel here. Interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, switch port mode trunk, and this is also uplink, no shutdown, exit, interface range. We'll also put these two ports here, which is connected here to here, this line. Fast Ethernet 0/23 and 24, switch port mode trunk. Okay, encapsulation we can do, switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, switch port mode trunk, no shut, and then we'll put them in channel group. Oh, sorry, we'll go inside interface range fast 0/23 and 24, channel group 1 mode active, enter, exit, and write memory, show port channel if there is any. I think there was a port channel summary command, it should be there. I'm not sure if there is okay, show ether channel summary, maybe show ether channel summary. Okay, this one is LACP. We choose active, and port 3 and 1 is in, and still getting information. So standalone, one side is, so I mean it's still under standalone. So on this side, other side we haven't configured. And in this PC also we can see show ether channel summary, also same situation. Now let's go on this switch and configure 2 port channels. On T host name, this is our core switch, MHO core. Enter, exit. Okay, there is 21, 22 is connected this way, and 23, 24 connected this way. So 22, 21 will create a 1 port channel, which will be 1, and the other port channel 2 One we will connect this way and other will connect this way. Conf T interface port channel 1. Okay, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk, no shut, exit. Now because this is 1 and these two 21 22 is in this side, so we'll connect this side. Interface range fast 0/21 to 22, switch port encapsulate trunk encapsulation .1q, switch mode trunk, and channel group 1 mode active. Okay, let's see. Write memory, show ether channel summary. Okay, it's passive. See, this is main input channel and working. Okay, it's passive now, and if we see this side of the switch, this one, we'll see this port channel is up, summary, and it's also passive. That's great. Okay, now made on this side, the second side, we made it port channel for 21 22, now 23 and 24 on the core switch. Another port channel 2, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk, no shut, exit. Interface range fast 0/22 23 and 24, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk, channel group 2 mode active. Okay, great. This is also green. Memory. Now both ether channel summary, the both channels are up and we are good to go, right? And we can see here also this switch, show ether channel summary, also up. That's great. So all our configuration is done. Let's see if these PCs can reach to these servers. I went from PC1. I want to ping this 3.1. Ping 192.168.3.1. Let's see if it is pinging. Okay, I always go for 2 packet drops. Okay, so this is not pinging because the first thing, we haven't configured any type of routing or any type of VLAN information in the switches. First, we must have a gateway. The gateway, for the first troubleshooting way, you must reach to your gateway. This PC should reach, if we see the PC's IP, this IP should reach to his gateway. The first, always the best approach is to bring the PC till the gateway and then next hop like a server. .2.1 is pinging himself, but go for 254, it's pinging or not? No, it's not pinging because we didn't configure Inter-VLAN routing and we didn't configure any Inter-VLAN for the VLAN 1 any gateway. So this thing we will do here because all job we will do in this switch. All the branches will come here. First of all, in core switch, it should know there is some kind of VLAN 2. Configure. Okay, we say VLAN VLAN 2, name our HR department. Now we have to configure the interface for this VLAN because it's a routing. Interface VLAN 2 is up. IP address 192.168.2.254. This is the gateway of the VLAN 2. 0. Khalas. No shut. Exit. Exit. Write memory. Okay, let's see if the PCs again can ping his gateway. No, still not. Why? Okay, one more thing. We will go again in this switch and we'll enable IP routing. IP routing enter. Let's see now. IP routing is enabled. Let's see if we can ping again our gateway. No. Okay. Why? Because this guy don't know about the. Let's see if I have information about the VLANs. Wow. This guy doesn't have a VLAN 2. How it will let pass the traffic from here? No way. He said, okay, tell him. VLAN 2 name HR department. Okay, now exit, exit, write memory and show VLANs. Yep, this guy have a VLAN 2 now. And let's see again our PCs can ping the gateway or not. Yeah, now it can reach to the gateway. Great, right? So our PC can ping the gateway now. That's great. Now see if the PC can ping the server 1 3.1, which is this server. No, it cannot. Okay, why? Because first we have to configure and see the VLANs are configured here. Enable show VLAN. Yes, VLAN 3 is configured and the ports are there. Let's go to this switch. If the VLAN 3 is here, conf t exit show VLANs. No, VLAN 3 is not here. VLAN 3 name SRV VLAN. No shut. Okay. Write memory. This one is good. The VLAN is there, and let's see if the server can reach to the gateway. IP config on server and ping the gateway 192.168.3.254. Our server from here cannot reach his gateway because we haven't configured VLAN 3's gateway in our core switch. So we will go here in our core switch, show interface VLAN, show IP interface brief, and you can see here we have configured the interface for VLAN 2. Now let's configure for VLAN 3. VLAN 3 name is SRV VLAN, server VLAN. Okay, exit. Okay, interface VLAN 3 IP address 192.168.3.254, 24-bit subnet mask, enter, no shutdown, exit, write memory. Let's see our server can reach to the gateway now. Yeah, it's reaching to the gateway. Now both PC and servers can reach to the gateway. So let's see if the PC can reach to the server. Yallah. See, now our Inter-VLAN routing is working. I can reach to the second server. I can reach to the third server. Right? I can ping to my fourth server. Anyway, 3 servers we can ping. Okay, that's great. So our PCs are reaching to the servers now. You guys see that? So this was the part number 1 for the video. I will save this one as a for the office network. Okay, we'll save in the documents. Save. Project is saved, and we have built the main office project, the main office site, totally ready. Then we'll build the branch office A and branch office B in our next videos. Hopefully guys you enjoy the video. Take care, bye bye, and let's see, I'll meet you in my next video, which is we'll connect branch A, and then third video branch B. Take care. If you are new on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.